Okay, we're starting. So we're preparing our bank statement reconciliation using the information they give us in the book. So we're doing part 1 there. So from the book, it tells us our bank statement balance, $1,528. Where does that go?
Balance on check stub?
No.
Oh.
Yes, right there where Claire is. Balance on bank statement.
Well,
So 1,528.
write the date first.
Yes, we need to do that. You should have wrote that in the box, Claire.
That's what I thought. I erased it. Today is September.
Oh no, that's not the date. Yeah, the date is July 28th.
Sorry. 29th actually.
28.
Never mind.
And this
Because
year?
it gives a year.
Yes. Always just use this year. Okay. Then balance on our check stub. It tells us is $1,575.
You're off.
And then right there by where it says check stub number, we want to go ahead and write down that was 106. Okay, our next box right below that, deduct bank charges. It tells us that we had a service charge of $2. So for description, you'll write service charge, or you can do SVC charge or CHG, whatever you have room for. And it's $2. So then there, on that next arrow where it says total bank charges, just write $2. So are we going to add or subtract this? Okay, subtract. So then our adjusted check stub balance is $1,573. Okay, then we'll go over to the next side. Outstanding deposit. Date is July 28th. The amount is $150. So total outstanding deposits is $150. So for our subtotal, are we adding or subtracting? Adding. So then our subtotal there is $1,678. Okay, then our next section, outstanding checks. We have 2 of them. The first one is 103. That's the check number 103 for $70. And check 105 for $35. It doesn't matter if you put it below or on the other side either. Place is fine. 35. So we'll add those together. That would be how much?
105.
Okay, 105 goes on our total outstanding checks. So for our adjusted bank balance, are we going to add or subtract that from our subtotal? Subtract 1,573. Okay, so how do you know if you're thinking, how am I ever going to remember when I do this on my own if I add or subtract? They give you nice clues right on there. Like under balance on check stub, it tells us to deduct bank charges. So deduct would mean subtract, right? And on the other side, it says add outstanding deposits. So if you're thinking, I can't remember that, just read and you'll know if you're adding or subtracting. Okay, the second thing we have to do is record that service charge that the bank charged us. So we're going to be using our check stub there. So just where it says other, we're going to write service charge, $2, all on just that little line. So other, you're going to write service charge, $2. On the check stub, Claire?
Yeah.
Yep, service charge $2, all on that line.
That.
Yep, that's fine. And then we know that our balance on that check stub, so balance brought forward, is $1,575. Okay, because they told us that in the book. And we already did that on our statement. So then where we have that big box, we want to write our $2 out there. Yes. And then we're going to subtract that. And so our subtotal there is $1,573. Okay, then the final thing we have to do is go down to our journal. Claire, you want to get that so we can see your journal, please? Okay, so for part 3, we're going to record the service charge on journal page 14. So go ahead and number that page 14. And use memorandum number 44 as the source document. Okay, so you're going to start writing where it says line 14 there. So you want to skip that where it's kind of, looks like they messed up. They did that intentionally. So line 14, our date is the 29th, so July 29th. And then our account title. Any guesses as to what it might be? We're recording our service charge. No, but thank you for guessing. I don't have any. Miscellaneous expense. Okay, or you could abbreviate it MISC. Expense. Document number is M44. And then is this going to be a general debit or credit? General debit. Where's our credit going to be at then? Cash. So general debit $2, cash credit of $2. Okay, that was all we needed to do.